So I always been interested in animals. They've always been my favorite. So when I heard about ag science, I said, oh, I think I'm going to look at that program. Any other class, I'm just like a normal student, but when I come here I can be myself, and I like that about agricultural science. My favorite part to do when I come here, it gotta be grooming. I love grooming. You're really hands-on with the animals, I feel like, and that's what I like about it. But if I had to choose another part, I would definitely pick polycattery, because you get to hang out with them, not gonna lie. When you're done cleaning, you can sit in there and play with them, and they like all types of interactions, which is a really fun part too. We have an agricultural part, so it's like the plants. I really love that part too. It's really fun to plant whatever you want. Really interesting on how the plants grow. So first you will start off with like your seed, and then like in a few days you get a little stuff, and it's so exciting because like your plant is growing and you get to bring it home at the end of the year. And a lot of people like come into the program thinking you're just working with animals, and that's not it. Like, you do work, but the work isn't as bad as it like would be in any other program. It's just regular work. And I would convince them because, I mean, you get to be yourself. Like, not all the time you could be yourself. And the teachers are really understanding, and you can literally talk to them about anything. So that's why I would convince them to come up here and to try new things. It's always good to try new things.